Good evening, everyone. So today we will solve an important question on uniform convergence of functions. So what is that question? Okay. So before starting the question, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Avatarm. Okay. So hope you are good and doing well. So let's start the question. Okay. So what is the question? This question is highly recommended from my side for IIT-JEE, NET, JRF examination, IIT-JAM exam, all these exams. Okay. So this is very important question. So you see this question. Let A and B are real numbers and A is strictly less than B and F is a function from closed interval A, B to R, be a continuous function satisfying integration a to b x to the power n into fx dx is 0 for all n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Then which option is correct? Number A, it means first option, f is 0 function. Second option is f is 1 or f is equal to 1 function. Or third question is fx is equal to x, that is identity function, and fx is equal to x square. D option, it means y is a parabolic function. Okay. So which option is correct? So let's solve it first. Then it will be decided which option is correct. Okay. So solution. So it is given that f a b to r is continuous. Okay. Continuous. And also given that integration a b to b f to the power n into fx dx is 0 for all n belonging to natural number union 0. Okay. So what does it mean? It means a b x to the power n fx dx is 0 for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to and so on up to infinity. Okay. So if I take n is equal to 0, then what I will get? Put n is equal to 0 here. What you will get? A b fx dx, because n to the power 0 means what? X to the power 0. X to the power 0 means what? 1. So a b, you put 1 here, fx dx is equal to 0. So what you got? You got a b fx dx is equal to 0. Okay. So if you put n is equal to 1, then what you will get? A b x fx dx is equal to 0. Okay. Now, if you take n is equal to 2, what you will get? A b x square fx dx is equal to 0. Okay. So if you take n is equal to 3, then what you will get? N is equal to 3. A b x cube fx dx. So following this way, for any natural number, we have what we have? This one to be x to the power n fx dx is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have all these equations. Okay. Now if I take any polynomial, so take take polynomial Px is equal to a naught x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 a2 x to the power n minus 2. Okay, then what you will get here, a n minus 3 x to the power 3 plus a n minus 2 x square. Okay, plus next term will be a n minus 1 x and last term will be a n. Okay, so if we are taking any polynomial, this is polynomial of degree n. Okay, then what we will get? Then you observe that what you observe, what is a to b px fx dx, what will be this? Tell me. So a to b, you put this polynomial a naught x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1 a2 x to the power n minus 2 a n minus 3 x cube plus a n minus 2 x square a1 a n minus 1 x plus a n, and fx is here dx. Now constant will come outside, so you open this integration a naught a b to the power x to the power n fx dx, okay, plus a1 a b to the power x n minus 1 fx dx plus a2 x to the power n minus 2 fx dx a n minus 1 a to b x fx dx plus a n minus 3, so x to the power 3, okay, a n minus 2 a to b x square fx dx plus a n minus 1 a to b x fx dx plus a n, and that is fx dx. Now you see that all these terms, all these integration, we have this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, okay, and this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. All these are 0 because we have given that in question, and we have seen this showing this way. You put n is equal to 0, that is 0, n is equal to 1, you put that is 0, n is equal to 2 x square fx dx 0 and 3, okay, and you took any natural number. Previously you can take n minus 1 a to b x to the power n minus fx dx is also 0. So put all these values here, so what you will get? So this is a naught into 0 plus a1 into 0 plus a2 into 0 a n minus 3 into 0 a n minus 2 into 0 a n minus 1 into 0 a n into 0. So what out this? This is 0, 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 and this is 0. So finally what you got? 0. So it means what you have? You have a to b px fx dx is equal to 0 for any polynomial. polynomial px. So let's say it equation number 1. Okay. Now f a b to r is a continuous function. Now you apply here Weierstrass approximation theorem. What Weierstrass approximation theorem says, if you have any real valued continuous function on a closed interval AB, then there always exists a sequence of polynomial functions which converge to f uniformly on closed interval AB. Okay. So apply Weierstrass approximation theorem. You apply Weierstrass approximation theorem. So by Weierstrass approximation, there exists sequence PM, sequence of polynomials Pmax converging to f uniformly on closed interval A. Now we have a by Weierstrass approximation, there always exists a sequence of polynomials which converge uniformly to f on closed interval AB on given continuous function f on AB. Okay. Now from 1, since Fn Pmx is converging to f uniformly on AB, okay, then this will imply that Pmx into f will converge to multiply both the side by f. This will converge to uniformly, this will converge to f into f uniformly on AB, because if polynomial Pm converges to f uniformly on closed interval, you multiply the constant. This is constant function. No, this is a function, so it is playing like a constant thing. Okay, so Pmx into f will converge to uniformly to f into f, that is f square. Okay, so it means Pm into f converges to f square uniformly on AB. And we know that if a function converges uniformly, the integration always converges. We have done this, that if you have a sequence of Riemann integrable functions converging uniformly to some function, the integration always converges. So because polynomial is a continuous function and f is also continuous, their product is continuous, and continuous function is Riemann integrable, so it converges these two uniformly, so integration will also converge. So this implies AB Pm into f dx limit this m tending to infinity is nothing but a to b f square dx. Okay, we can write here x. Okay, write in a proper way. So I am erasing it and writing it in a proper way. So what does it mean? It means limit m tending to infinity integration a to b pmf pmx into fx dx is equal to a to b f square x dx. Okay. Now this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial, and we know by equation 1. By equation 1, we have, because if you take any polynomial and multiply with fx, take integration, this is going to be 0. Pmx is also polynomial for any m belongs to natural number. So this part is 0. So we are taking limit m tending to infinity of 0, because this is 0 by equation number 1. Okay, so we put 0 here. So ab f square x dx. Okay. So what is this? What is this? This is 0. So I can write this. Now f square x, f square is a continuous function. Now f square is a continuous function. Now we have a one result. Suppose you have a function g, non-negative function. It means gx is greater than equal to 0 on AB, and its integration, and g is continuous on AB, and its integration is 0 on AB, then function is identically 0 always, and integration AB to f gx dx is 0, then this implies g is 0 function. This is result. Okay, if you have the integration over a closed interval of a non-negative continuous function on a closed interval is 0, then function has to be 0. Now f square, what is f square x? F square x is nothing but fx ka square. So this is non-negative, and it is continuous also. So what you have, and we have this relation that integration is 0. Or you can write fx equal to square, same thing. So this implies f square is 0 function. So if f square is a 0 function, obviously you can take square root both the sides. This implies f is identically 0 function. So we got this answer. Okay. So f is a 0 function. Now you tell me which option is correct. Option number A is correct. F is identically equal to 0. Okay. So this is very important question, and we have done it. We found that f is 0. Okay. So I summarize this question. How I solve? First, I have given that a integration a to b x to the power n fx is equal fx into dx is equal to 0 for n is equal to 0, 1, 2. So I found this for n is equal to 0. What is n is equal to 1? What it is given for n is equal to 1? It is a to b fx into dx is equal to 0. For n is equal to 1, a to b x into fx dx is equal to 0. For n is equal to 2, it is a to b x square fx dx is 0. So you can find n equal to 3 in the same way, and you can find n minus 1 for n minus 1 in the same way. Now I have taken any natural number. We have this one, a to b x to the power n fx dx 0. Now we have taken any polynomial, general polynomial. So any polynomial of degree n is look like this way. A naught into x to the power n plus a1 x to the power n minus 1, like that, up to plus an minus 1 x plus an. Now you evaluate this. What is this? So you open the integration. So you got this one, because integration is a linear operator. So by that property we have opened this. But this integration is 0. This is also 0. This is also. All these integration are 0. So put the value of 0, this integration. So we got 0. So what we got? Integration a to b px into fx dx is equal to 0 for any polynomial t. Okay. Now it is given that function is continuous. We know that every continuous function on a closed interval can be approximated uniformly by a sequence of polynomial functions. So there exists a sequence of polynomial Pmx that converges to f uniformly. So if Pm converges to f uniformly, Pm into f will converge to f square uniformly on AB. If integration converge if function or sequence of function converges uniformly, then their integration will also converge. We have proved it. So you take integration, the limit will be this. Okay, but for any polynomial, this integration is 0 by equation 1. So this is 0. We are taking limit of 0 sequence. So this is 0. Okay. Now f square is a continuous function and that is non-negative. And we have a result. If you have a non-negative continuous function on a closed interval, you have an integration. Its integration over AB is equal to 0. Then function has to be 0. So by that property, f square is a 0 function. So by taking square root, you got f is equal to 0. So thank you very much for today's question. This is very important question and highly recommended from my side for any good competitive exam. Okay. So kindly like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any problem related to this question, you can comment on my YouTube channel. We will see you in the next session. Thank you very much for today's session. Thank you very much.